Hi there guys, I'm Takehiko from Japan. Welcome to my YouTube channel. And it's so nice to see you guys again. Anyway, in this video, we are gonna look at a Japanese snack food bag. Doritos. Mexican tacos flavor. Okay. Wow. Mexican tacos flavor? That sounds extremely fun and exciting, doesn't it? Okay, now, as always, without further ado, let's check the contents right away. Here goes. Okay guys, well, what do you think of this? This looks tasty and fantastic, doesn't it? Okay, now let's give it a try right away. Here it goes. Well, this looks spicy, but not bad. It's no problem. Okay. Well, this is a bit spicy, but not bad. This is tasty and fantastic. I love this so much. Well, by the way, do you like Mexican tacos? I love Mexican tacos. Well, I'm so sure you'll love this Japanese snack food if you try, because this is awesome, moorish, appetizing, and amazing. Okay, now, anyway, that's it from me today. How was today's my video? I hope you guys have been enjoying this video. I'm afraid it's time to finish this video. Thank you for watching and joining me guys. Until next time, goodbye.